Let's be honest, trading is hard. Very, very hard. It's estimated that just 4 to 6% of traders are actually profitable. And the rest, well, the less said, the better. One thing common to all successful traders, regardless of strategy or status, is their willingness to learn and copy the moves of more profitable traders. And this, in essence, is what copy trading is all about. Copy trading is a strategy where you automatically copy any trade move a more experienced investor makes. With copy trading, you're linking your portfolio to that of the investor you're copying. In essence, every single move the trader makes, like taking profits, setting a stop loss, is automatically replicated in your account as well. It's easy to see now why copy trading is so appealing, isn't it? Copy trading isn't just for beginners. Even experienced traders can also highly benefit from it. In all honesty, copy trading is the safest option for anyone who wants to make money in the financial market, but doesn't have the time or knowledge to trade successfully. With this strategy, you don't need to spend hours fruitlessly chasing green pumps, nor do you need to bleed your portfolio dry before you learn your way around the markets. Although there are several copy trading platforms out there, not all of them are successful, and it's easy to know why. After all, there are a lot of experienced traders who just aren't very good. If you want to be a successful copy trader, there are a lot of things you have to take into account, especially if you're just beginning your trading journey. The very first factor to consider when you're copy trading is the platform you plan to use. As a rule of thumb, you must pick a platform you can trust. The best copy trading platforms should be equal parts accessible, reputable, and transparent. You should make sure they have a true community as well. These features and more are all present on FANZ. FANZ aims to be the world's easiest DeFi copy trading platform. With FANZ, you'll be able to copy your favorite and best performing trader without having to monitor the markets 24/7, or at all, even. FANZ aims to make copy trading so seamless and easy that literally everyone will be able to trade. Ultimately, even your grumpy grandfather who can't figure out how to use Google will be able to trade, all thanks to FANZ. The second factor to consider when it comes to copy trading is the success rates of the trader you want to copy. This sounds pretty much obvious. I mean, who would want to copy a failure? Still, it's important to do your homework. You should also always track their progress because anything can happen. Their strategies and goals can change. Again, when it comes to this, FANZ takes the cake. The traders on FANZ are experienced professionals who are very good at what they do. To get on FANZ, all you have to do is first create an account on the FANZ platform. Next, deposit your money or FANZ tokens into your account. After that, you can start your journey to find a trader who suits your preferences regarding profits and risk. To do that, look into the stats of the trader or just go to the leaderboards. The great thing about the FANZ platform is that the success rates of the traders are going to be very high, as the team of traders have been vetted by the FANZ team, who are pretty amazing traders themselves. If you have found a great trader, it's time to enter the trader's vault and just sit back, relax, and enjoy the incoming cash flow. The last criteria to consider are the hidden fees and exorbitant commissions other copy trading platforms charge. Most copy trading platforms are centralized. There are always commissions after commissions to pay, eating into your profit. Not so on FANZ. On the FANZ platform, all fees are very transparent. There are no hidden commissions or tampered liquidity, unlike other centralized copy trading platforms. Traders on FANZ have to pay just 4 fees, and they are: creation fee. This fee is used to create a vault for your trading strategy. It applies particularly to traders who want to be copied. It's a one-time fee, and it can be as low as 10 and up to 100 FANZ tokens. Management fee. This fee is determined by the particular trader you want to copy. It's an entry fee to enter the vault of any particular trader that you wish to copy. 50% of the management fee goes to the trader and the rest allocated to the platform. Performance fee. This toll represents the trader's fees for the successful management of assets. And redemption fee. The last and final fee the FANZ platform charges is a token redemption fee. It's paid once in FANZ tokens and is automatically levied by a smart contract. And that's it. To recap, with FANZ, you won't be charged insane commissions per trade or anything like that. Just the bare essentials needed to keep the platform running. By now, I'm sure you can't wait to get on FANZ. Well, you're in luck. FANZ is set to launch soon in the first half of November 2021. Before it launches, it would be a very wise idea to get some FANZ tokens. FANZ tokens are available on PancakeSwap. The launch, set to take place soon, will definitely have a positive impact on the price of the token. The link to get funds is in the description below. So, what are you going to do? Are you going to start earning passive money with funds, or will you let yet another life-changing opportunity pass you by? The ball is in your court. That's all we have for you today. Be sure to check out FANZ on Twitter and Instagram and become one of our highly cherished members. The link for the Twitter channel is in the description below, and our Instagram handle is @FANZ and is also linked below. Thanks for watching. Till next time, stay safe and hodl funds.